Palantir?
Palantir.
Let me ask you about Palantir, which we just found out you've added to. Can you tell our viewers why you added rather significantly to your stake in Palantir?
All right. So Palantir just came out with the most surprising, the most shocking, bottom line, the absolute best news that they've ever come out with as a company since they've been public. And the scary part is not many people are talking about this and taking advantage of this opportunity. Yes, I've seen a lot of analysts come out in the last couple of weeks with extremely bullish calls on Palantir. Some of them are comparing it to Tesla. Other people are saying it can reach a $1 trillion market cap, but not many people are talking about this major announcement. So to be 100% honest with you, I wasn't planning on making this video today, but when I saw the announcement, I saw that no one is talking about this. I wanted to get this information out to you guys so we could all take advantage of this opportunity before mainstream starts talking about it more, before the stock price reacts like it should. So today what we're going to talk about is this big announcement with Palantir. Also, I'm going to do something that I've never done before. We're going to say that if this video gets to 2,000 likes, because I just want more people to know about this news. So if this video gets to 2,000 likes, we are going to open up Discord for everyone. So it doesn't matter if you're subscribed to the Patreon. It doesn't matter if you subscribe to my channel. We're going to open up our Discord channel to absolutely everyone if we get the video to 2,000 likes. In addition to this, if you're new here, make sure to subscribe. And if you don't already have the public.com investing app, make sure to go ahead and follow me on that. You can buy stocks, sell stocks, and see exactly what I'm buying and selling in real time, as well as a full portfolio breakdown. Think of it like an investing app combined with social media. It is completely free to follow me. Use the code Michael when you sign up, and you'll get up to $50 in a free stock. But anyways, so Palantir just came out and introduced a new program called the Foundry for Builders. This new initiative is aimed solely at helping early stage companies, at helping startups, and providing them with access to Palantir's Foundry software. This is absolutely huge because Palantir has been criticized multiple times in the past for only having really large customers. First of all, they've been criticized about their government contracts, how government contracts make up too much of their business. And while that is true, they also have been criticized that their business model is only good for large clients. Like if you can't spend millions of dollars up front, then you couldn't use Palantir. And they've been changing that over time, but this takes it to the next level because not only now have they changed the way their contracts are structured, but they're focusing solely on helping early stage companies and startups. So this, in my opinion, is incredible because everyone loves Palantir. They see them do business with the government. They see how Palantir has been doing extremely successful. They've been seeing how there's a big community around the stock price. And I know lots of people with, let's say, startups or smaller businesses who say, I wish I could use Palantir software. I wish they had some sort of program that would allow smaller businesses to have access to this huge pool of data, to all this technology, because it could take their business to the next level. And it seems like Palantir has listened, and now they finally came out and said that they're going to be first they're first going to be helping companies connected to Palantir alumni before expanding into early stage companies and startups. But ultimately, they've listened to what everyone has been saying recently. And so the first couple of companies that are going to be using this Foundry for Builders software is going to be companies in the healthcare, robotics, and software industry. So we're seeing Chapter, which is a New York-based company that helps customers understand and select Medicare plans. They're going to be using the platform. We're seeing Hence AI, which is a London-based company which uses AI to help companies make better relationship decisions in legal consulting industries. We're seeing a company called Additon, a fintech company. We're also seeing a fintech company based in Oslo, and another company called Gecko Robotics. All 5 of these companies are starting off using this new initiative with Palantir, which is focused on helping smaller companies and startups. So what does this actually mean? Well, right now, when we look at Palantir, we have seen over the last couple of weeks that people are very bullish on Palantir. We have seen that over the last couple of weeks, analysts have come out with bullish call after bullish call after bullish call. You can see the last dozen or so calls from analysts on Seeking Alpha have all been bullish. Usually we see people very divided on Palantir, but recently analysts have started to like this stock a lot more. In addition to this, ARK Invest has been picking up shares recently as well. Over the last couple of weeks, we have seen Palantir pick up an additional $15 million worth of shares. On July 19th, they bought $5 million. On July 20th, another $4 million. On July 21st, another $5 million. So over the last couple of weeks, ARK Invest has been adding to their position as well. So the thing that I really like about this, I just want to keep this video quick. But the thing that I really like about this new platform is that they have listened to exactly what customers have been saying, what the public has been saying. People say Palantir has too many contracts with the government. And you know what? I think government contracts are great. I think it's great to do business with the government because once you're in, once you're involved, you're not leaving, especially with data companies. The government's going to keep coming back to Palantir. I think this is great. Also with the recent cancellation of the so-called Jedi contract with Microsoft, I think that opens up the door for Palantir as well. I'll link that video down below. But I think recently, government contracts have been the focus for Palantir. Everyone says they have too many government contracts. I don't think anything's wrong with that, but I think that they've listened to exactly what people are saying. So they've had government contracts, they're growing that part of the business, but at the same time, they just started a new initiative which has absolutely nothing to do with the government, has nothing to do with large corporations, and helps solely small businesses, startups, and companies that might not otherwise be able to afford Palantir software. So I think this is absolutely huge for Palantir's stock because now they have this government portion of their business, which is growing very rapidly, growing over 100% year over year. And then they also have the commercial side of their business with large corporations, which is also growing very rapidly as well. Now they added another third portion to their business where it says, look, we have government, we have large commercial businesses. Now we also help startups, early stage growth companies. I think this is absolutely incredible because now they added a whole new section to their business. People who are just the general public loves Palantir. People I know of who have pretty big companies, but still are considered startups. They always say, I wish I could use Palantir. I wish I could use Palantir. And now they're finally going to be able to do this. So right now they are only, rolling this out to a couple of companies before they roll it out to the general public. But either way, I think it's very exciting. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. But I think that third portion of their business with startups is great. I think any company that uses Palantir from, as an early stage company, as they grow, they're going to scale up and do more business with Palantir as well. So I think Palantir is now just going to be able to get in on the ground floor for a lot of these software companies, a lot of these Medicare, fintech companies. I think they're going to be able to get in early, and that's going to develop long-lasting relationships that are going to pay off, hundreds of millions, billions of dollars long term. But let me know what you guys think. I just really wanted to get this video out to you guys as soon as possible. It was very exciting. So hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please be sure to like the video, subscribe, and